What's going on, guys? Nick here at Carter Chevrolet in Okarche, Oklahoma, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pair up your Android cell phone. Now if you have an iPhone, the process is a little bit different, so I have created a second video for that, and it's in the description below and or in the top right of this video. Click on that white text box that says pair iPhone, and or in the same video I'm just going to add it shortly after I finish pairing up this Android. Okay, so let's get started. First, on our phone, we want to go into the settings and we want to look for Bluetooth. Mine is under the connections tab here, so I'll click on that and then click on Bluetooth. And then here on the screen, we're going to hit phone, pair device. Under available devices on our phone, you'll see here it says Chevy MyLink. We want to click that and it's going to begin the pairing process. And you should receive a unique PIN number like this one, 017481. That's the same on my phone as well as the truck screen, so I'm going to hit yes on the screen and OK on my phone. And now it is connecting. So I'm going to hit OK on the truck screen, and then I should get some messages here on my cell phone. Allow access to messages. Yes, we want to hit allow, and then allow access to contacts and phone logs. We're going to hit allow. Now if you accidentally hit do not allow, not a big deal. If you see here under the connected Chevrolet MyLink, click on this little settings here. And let's say you didn't allow contacts and it was turned off, you can just simply swipe that back on. So all four of these are highlighted blue, so we're good to go. Also, if you look here on the top, it says rename. On this previous screen, I've already connected to a Tahoe, and this one just says Chevy MyLink. So I want to change that to say Silverado because that's what I'm in now. So I'm just going to hit that settings wheel, come here to rename. I'm going to put Silverado MyLink. That way I can differentiate the Tahoe from the Silverado. And then if I ever want to unpair one, I know I'm unpairing the Tahoe and or the Silverado by simply going to the settings and hitting unpair. I don't want to do that though, so I'm going to go back. Okay, so now when we look at the truck screen here, it says SMG925T. That is my Samsung Galaxy, and I want to change that name. That way, if my wife pairs up her phone, we can differentiate my phone from her phone. So to do that, go on your cell phone and let's go back into the main settings. And we're going to scroll down until we find about device. And here under device name, it looks like my device name is basically my model number. So I want to change that. So I'm going to click on device name, delete that, and I'm going to put Nick's Galaxy. Hit done, and we're done with our phone, so I'm going to exit out of that. And if you notice here on the screen, it hasn't changed it to Nick's Galaxy. So in order to do that, we either need to just disconnect the phone manually or turn off your vehicle, open the door, shut the door, and turn the vehicle back on, and it should automatically connect and rechange. But let's just do it this way. Click on that tab, hit disconnect. The pinwheel's working. It has successfully disconnected my phone, and we're simply going to click it again. It's going to repair it, and it should change back to my name. There we go, Nick's Galaxy. Okay, so now let's say I got a brand new phone. I want to delete my old phone from the system. Simply come into phone, and here on the bottom right, click phones, Nick's Galaxy. We're just going to hit the X, and we're going to disconnect it. After it's disconnected, just hit this minus sign right here, and we'll hit delete. You can also, if you don't want to do it that way, you can come into settings, scroll down until you find Bluetooth and device management. It's basically the same screen. We're going to hit the minus sign and we're going to hit delete. So that's it. So next is coming up is how to pair up your iPhone. Okay, the first thing we want to do is go into our settings and look for Bluetooth. Then we're going to go here on the vehicle and hit the phone icon, and on the bottom right hit pair device. Then we're going to go here on our cell phone, and under other devices the Chevy MyLink will pop up. Let's click on that. And this is a unique PIN pairing process here, so 160919, if that's the same on your phone and the screen, then hit yes on the screen here and pair on your phone. And then we're going to allow the contacts and favorites to be synced up properly, so hit allow. And then under Chevy MyLink on your phone where it says connected, hit that blue I button. And we need to swipe for show notifications. And then one more thing, The The truck screen here says iPhone. I want to change that so it has my first name. That way, if someone else pairs up their device to my vehicle, we'll know whose phone is whose. So I'm going to go back into the settings and I'm going to swipe until I find General. Under General, we're going to have the About section. And then here it says Name. So I want to add my first name to that. So I'm going to put Nick iPhone. I'm going to hit Done. We can get out of the settings completely. We are done with our phone. In order for those changes to take place, we need to click here and disconnect our phone. And then reconnect it by clicking on the tab here. And you'll see it's working with that pinwheel. And there we go, Nick iPhone. I'm gonna go home, back to phone, and just to make sure all of this is paired up properly, I'm gonna hit Contacts. And there we go, they have properly paired. So that's it. Come back home, everything's set, we're done with our phone, you're good to go.